What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the default theme on your Redmi cell phone. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on themes. Now from here you can select any theme that you want to use. So just simply tap on the theme and then tap on apply. Now again tap on apply to confirm. And after that the theme will be applied. So you can see the theme is now changed. So that's how you can change theme in your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.